I met you last December, well I think it was. Your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb.
Tara, gusto ko dito.
Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early.
Okay, go.
Something about you was right. I just wanna tell you what's on my
God,
mind.
ganun. Okay, good morning! Andito pa rin tayo sa Sapporo and ngayon pupunta kami sa Makomanai. Actually, nandito na kami sa Makomanai Station and pupunta kami doon sa may cemetery. Yung may Stonehenge tapos parang may mga Buddha, ganyan. So yun yung itinerary natin for today and kung kaya ng weather and ng time, pupunta pa kami sa Mount Moiwa Ropeway. So tignan natin kasi snowy today. So tignan natin kung kumusta yung weather mamaya. Ayan, from Odori Station, isang sakay lang naman, Green Line, papunta dito sa may Makomanai. And then from Makomanai, sasakay ng bus papunta doon sa Buda na yun. Ano tawag doon? Basta yun. So, isang sakay lang. Dalawang sakay sa train and then bus. Then, lakad na after that. So, as you can see, there it's snowy. Okay, so dito sa Makomanai Station, may mga yung parang may candle light festival dito paggabi. So, naglalagay sila ng mga, yung yellow na ganun. Tapos lalagay sila ng kandila. Kakain ako ng snow. And ayun, parang maganda siya paggabi.
How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. Yeah, you think you know it all, and you're probably right by most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare. I know it's useless, I'm trying to stop, yet I know that it's always gonna lead back to you.
As we're here. Oy, pwede bang maglakad, te? Ay, pwede. Nandito na kami. Oo nga eh. Bus incoming. Saan na tayo? Na-overwhelm, hindi alam kung ano uunahin. So ayun, from Makomanai Station, sakay kayo ng bus. Check na lang sa Google Maps kung ano yung available na bus papunta dito sa sa Hill of the Buddha. So, isang lang din naman, isang sakay lang, diretso na. Maganda ko yung bus na masakyan nyo is yung diretso sa Hill of the Buddha Station. So ayun kita nyo sa likod. Tapos pagbaba nyo, andito na. So magkakalapit na lang to yung mga ganun, Stonehenge. Yung mga statues na yun, tapos yung Buddha, tapos yung Stonehenge replica. Tapos yung maganda. Hi! Destination Kloop, Denver Agoda. Saan papunta? Dito. Snow sa kahit saan ka tumingin, snow talaga. So may bayad na 500 yan. Just one, yeah. Arigato. 500 yen. And may cafe dito sa malapit sa may Hill of the Buddha. Nagpainit muna kami bago pumunta doon. Kasi nandun nagsabayan yung mga tours doon, mga tour groups. So for sure madaming tao.
You said you don't remember what I said to you. I'm so relieved, cause I wouldn't know what to do if I'd said I love you probably way too soon. Like way too soon. Kinda mean and overbearing, kinda sweet but unawaring. Times are changing but you haven't since then. Just give the small talk, say you wanna love me till your lungs give in.
Tapos na kami sa Buddha, Hill of the Buddha. I mean yung main doon na Buddha. Next naman na is pupunta kami sa may Stonehenge replica. Then after that, doon sa may mga ulo-ulo. Grabe yung snow talaga.
Just are you free next weekend? I've been searching, waiting for the right time. Said I'm
Yes!
answers. I got the line. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. But if I say too much, can we forget it all? How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna fade for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. You think you know it all, and you're probably right on most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare.
Ang saya.
I'm trying to stop. I know that it's always gonna lead back to you. And I'm obviously not there's nothing
Grabe. Walang katapusang snow. Snow sa lahat ng direksyon talaga. Tapos ang lalim nito, daw to grass, parang grassland lang siya. Mga te, walang daan. Tapos ikot. Kailangan natin umikot.
Why does it always start the same? Soon as I'm feeling sane and happy by myself, you walked into my life unannounced. You're so sweet, I can't complain. Now you're too close for comfort. I've lost count of times I've been hurt just like that. Now I run away from shit like that. So I'm too shy to tell you. You might be my supernova new star. Light up my sky. We're making days, babe. I want you to take me away. It's been a while, but if you wanna make me smile, you'd make my day, make my day. I've always been this way. Let's run away, let's make days. You can't be surprised by the caution in a girl ruled by Mars. She don't trust the stars. Oh, you're an old soul like me, an unknown age, fine like whiskey. Laughing about crosswords over coffee. Still you'll never be as smooth as me. But I'm too bright for bullshit. Like to think I see right through it, except when I don't. And I'm too blind to notice. So I'm asking you to promise, hold me close in your mind. Oh, we're making days, babe. I want you to take me away. It's been a while, but if you wanna make me smile, make my day, make my day. I've always been this way. Let's run away, and let's make days out of the blue and I least expect it. Meet someone new when I feel contented, but I don't